Today we are going to go over the Nex Playground, which is an interactive game system. We're going to go through all the games, do an unboxing, and show everything it has to offer. Nex Playground did send us the system and gave us a quarterly play pass, but we are going to give our genuine reaction to the games. So one thing we do like about it is it's really simple to plug in and play. It's not complicated at all. You get a remote that controls the actual screen, but you don't need the remote for the games. And the one cord actually powers the system, but you can also unplug it and then charge the remote. So it's really easy. You just plug in the power cord and then the other cord you plug into your TV, and that's it. And it also comes with a little stand, so that way if you need to kind of angle the Nex Playground, you can do so. And as you get it set up, you plug it in and it's really easy to actually start. You pick your language and then you have to connect your Wi-Fi and then you download the games. The games only took about 10 minutes or so to download. It does come with free games, but if you want the play pass to get all of them, then you need to pay for either the quarterly or the yearly pass. And one nice thing about it is there's a little privacy cover there. If you don't want the camera on, it does let you know when it is turned on too, because you'll see that little LED light on when it is turned on. Now we're going to go through all of the games as quickly as we can to give you the gist of what to expect. We'll show some of our favorites as well. You can tell by some of the kids' reactions which ones they love the best. And there are some that are coming soon. They said they get at least one game in a month that's new. We've only played a few games, so most of these is going to be our very first time checking it out. And then you use your body to move it left and right.
It's like pinball, right?
It's like Breakout.
Oh yeah.
Almost. That'll get it. Boom.
Party foul. Okay, quick match, mini game list.
Yeah, do the list.
Copycat.
Icebreaker.
Copycat.
Don't forget to wipe. Nailed it.
Shake it up. Do slap
Well, that's a
fish.
lot in the one game.
Do slap fish.
Okay, raise your hands to start.
Ah, cool. I can't see your left leg, it says. There, yeah, there you go, Pumpkin. You hit him. That's how you get points.
Oh, player one.
Oh.
That's okay.
Okay, what's he doing?
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like a cute kitty.
I think it's mud.
Yeah.
It looks like poo.
Or it could be poo.
As you can see, you have to be active in these games, which is actually the reason why I reached out to Nex Playground, because I want to keep the kids active and moving, and what better way than with games? I just went back to show the Peppa options and noticed there's a new hippo game as well. Now the kids love Peppa Pig and they have quite a few different games inside this one game. So as you'll see, they have a really big variety, lots of games for little ones as well as bigger kids and even adults. I would compare it to the Xbox Kinect or the actual Wii, but like I said before, I love that there are no controllers, so you don't have to worry about the kids throwing the remotes at the TV. And a lot of the games are two-player. There's some that are just one, but lots of different competition games and a couple that are up to 4 players.
Catch it. There you go.
Pip looks.
A friendly spider and this whimsical platformer explore, leap, and punch through an enchanted forest.
I'm Spider-Man. I'm a spider.
Try jumping on that mushroom.
Now try moving right left to climb over the ledge. It's Mario and Spider-Man.
I mean, yeah,
It's like a platformer.
Of Mario and Spider-Man.
It's unique.
Jeez.
It's unique though. I like the little character.
Yeah.
I know.
Yep.
This is 2-player.
Yes.
Okay, this one is what, like a math game? Merge the blocks to make a 4. It's because 2 plus 2 is 4, right? That was the arms. Oh, okay, luminous. Oh wait, I have to get the coin.
Where are the coins?
Starry is another good one. If you love Just Dance, you're gonna love this. There's 2 different ways to play and a lot of different popular songs. Vanessa got really excited when she saw one she knew.
Boom. 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 Good job.
They had a huge selection of songs too, some that a lot of us would know, as well as some that are from Japan, so I love the different variety. And next up, Whack-A-Mole, of course, is a classic. Everyone knows this game.
You don't have to smack them like this. You just have to touch them. Watch.
Oh, I want to smack them. Oops, I Yeah, buddy.
Die. Hey, don't come on my side. Die.
Neo Witch. Bring your hands together to begin. So you have to trace to do a spell.
Loading screen.
And then trace it said. Good job. Get the fireball. You probably have to unlock more stuff.
Yeah.
Next up, this gym one actually has a lot of different exercises. We're just gonna show one. But to give you an idea, they have a ton from daily cardio, strengthening your shoulders, biceps, back, and more.
We're gonna reach with our outside hand, hitting targets on either side.
Oh, I gotta go this way. Oh, jeez, I gotta go way over here.
That's actually kind of funny.
Oh, this will be fun.
Who's the greatest juggler in the world?
Will they succeed?
Get him!
No mistake. You said what a beauty. I'm a boy.
Active arcade. Yeah, we played Fit Pals and it was just a jumping. High kicks.
High kick.
Start jumping.
I think you're supposed to get those.
I'm so cute.
This next one is Miniacs, I believe, and it is a racing game. If you're a fan of racing or Mario Kart, you're definitely gonna like this one. It's up to 4 players. You can also customize your character, and I know there's different tracks too.
You just hit me. We're going this way. Bye. Victory! I got 7! I'm the worst driver!
This next one is more of a puzzle game, kind of like Tetris, so like I said, pretty big variety here.
I'll be blue. That would be pink. Playroom. Yes, I'm Tum Tum. And I want to be Kate Joystick, Dixie. Boom. Yay. Boom. Boom. Yay.
Okay.
You gotta pretend so you can, your hands are the legs. So you can walk that way. Like this.
No pressure. No.
Dragon jumpers. Bounce along with your friends in the sky. Jump fast to propel your dragon above the clouds. They're gonna get tired quick on this one.
Going, yeah.
This next one is fun because it is a puzzle and it gets harder with each one, but it's just simple enough to do. So you have to kill those bad red things, but you can't kill the spaceship, the good ones.
Yeah, that one's an easy one. Only go down. There you go, boom. Yeah, there you go. No, no.
No, don't
there
kill
you go. Now, go up and kill it.
You have to work together.
Go down now. Stop. Alright, buddy, go down. Good job.
There you go.
Alright, go up slowly.
All right, tennis smash.
Too hard.
Okay, my favorite was Tumbo Bots. My favorite was Whack-A-Mole Deluxe.
Whack-a-mole, yeah, but you like Tumbo Bots too. He constantly wants to play it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I like the tennis. The tennis is fun. It's a good workout. The fitness is a good workout.
It is. It's
Oh my
good for
gosh.
any ages.
Yeah.
I like the ones that have the story that you jump up and almost like the Mario kind of platformer. I think that's probably one I want to check out later.
Those are fun.
But they're all, for the most part, pretty good. It keeps your kids active. You want to burn off some energy, something different. And I like how it doesn't have a
Like, you don't have to worry about a controller. Yeah.
You don't have to worry about
It's
the
all
kids,
hand motion.
Like
I'm
throwing.
You
excited.
have a controller, but it's just to pick certain things. And then when you're playing the game, you don't need it.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about them throwing a controller in the TV.
Right.
I'm excited for Doodle Heads.
Or get back a little bit.
Yeah, we have coming soon, coming up too as well. So bowling.
Oh yeah,
doodle
Daddy's gonna
heads,
like bowling.
And a family fitness
Challenge.
So that will be interesting.
Yeah, we'll have to play those. We do have the like quarterly pack, so we'll be playing them for a little while and we'll let you know if there's any other updates. Thank you again to Nex Playground for sending this to us so we can check it out. We've always been a gamer family and I love that this keeps the kids more active, burns some calories, some energy. The referral link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Anyone who uses that, it really helps the channel, so thank you. And I like that you can play it solo with friends or family and it's safe to use and you can just cover the camera if needed. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help as best I can, and thank you so much for watching.
Hit subscribe for more videos on our channel. Subscribe.
And if you love games, click these videos next to check out some awesome arcades in Central Florida. We love the classic games as well as the new, so we're always looking for new things to find and try. Thank you for watching.